Hello and welcome to How to Play Ship, Captain, and Crew, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the dice game Ship, Captain, and Crew. The video will start with the general concepts and then cover the gameplay. The game is played with 2 or more players. To play, you will need 5 dice and something to bet with. The object of the game is to roll a ship, captain, crew, and highest cargo. The ship is represented by the 6, the captain by the 5, the crew by the 4, and the remaining 2 dice are known as the cargo. Each player gets up to 3 rolls on a turn. You must have a ship before a captain and a captain before a crew. Before the first player rolls, each player must make an ante. Each player puts in a chip, and player 1 will roll first. Player 1's first roll has a ship and a captain with the 6 and 5, but is missing the crew. Player 1 sets aside the 6 and 5 and re-rolls the other 3 dice. The second roll is still missing the 4 for crew. The 3 dice will be rolled for player 1's third and final roll. This roll gives player 1 his crew with the 4. The remaining 2 dice are combined for a total of 7. The 7 represents player 1's cargo. Play moves to player 2. Player 2's first roll has a 6 for the ship. Although player 2 has a 4 for crew, it cannot be kept. A 5 for captain is needed before a 4 for crew can be kept. Player 2 re-rolls 4 dice. This roll gives player 2 the 5 for captain. Player 2 rolls 3 dice on his last roll. A 4 for crew is not rolled, and player 2 has a score of 0 for this round. Player 3 rolls next. The first roll gives player 3 the 6 for ship and the 5 for captain. The next roll gives player 3 the 4 for crew and a total of 8 for the cargo. The 8 cargo is 1 more than player 1's 7 for cargo. Although player 3 could roll 1 more time, he decides to stop rolling and take the 8. Player 4 rolls next. The first roll gives player 4 the ship, captain, and crew with a cargo of 6. The cargo is less than player 3's 8 for cargo, so player 4 will roll the 2 cargo dice again. This roll gives player 4 a cargo of 9 to beat player 3's 8 cargo. Player 4 wins the round and collects the antes. Each player will ante again for the next round, and player 2 will roll first in this round. If 2 or more players tie for the most cargo, each tying player will get another turn. The player with the higher cargo on the additional turn wins the ante. That wraps up how to play Ship, Captain, and Crew. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and get more game tutorials by subscribing to our channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.